Hi everyone. Okay, I'm now going to go through how to label your awesome packet that you have just made. And once again, I'm going to go through these instructions 3 times. If in 3 times you do not understand what to do, you're going to have to figure it out or ask your neighbor for help if they're awesome and they want to help you. So this is what the final product is going to look like on the screen. So the first thing you're going to do is on the bottom level closest to the stapler, at the top of the tab, you're going to write school district. You want to try to center it because, as you can see, we have legislative and executive. So it looks like this: school district on the lowest tab. The next level of government is going to be county city. So it goes on the next tab up. We're going a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger through the levels of government. So my second tab is now city county. The next one up is going to be state. And then the largest level of government that we talk about in 7th grade is the federal level. So now it looks like this. I have all 4 levels ready to go. Now here's where you're able to change it a little bit if it bugs you. Mine looks a little bit busy. On each level of government, you need the legislative branch on one side and the executive branch on the other. You can write it on the same tab like I have done, or if it bothers you, you're welcome to hide it a little bit as long as you leave plenty of room for you to write examples. So I'm going to write legislative and executive on the school level. And then I'm going to divide the page in half. So it looks like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing with county. I'm going to go legislative, executive. And then I'm going to fold the tab down. And I'm going to draw a line so that it looks like that. Same thing for state, legislative, executive, scribbly line down the middle, legislative, executive, draw a line down the middle. So now every page looks like this one. It's got the level, the executive, the legislative branch, and it's divided down the middle. Okay, let's do it again. For anybody who got a little bit lost or was a little bit behind, you have your beautiful packet. Looks like this. Each level, each tab, needs to be a level of government. The level that is closest to the staples needs to be school district. Please write it just on the top inch of the tab. Try to center it so that it looks like this. The next level is going to be county/city. The next level will be state. And the next level, the highest we talk about in 7th grade, is federal. So it looks like this. Now, you're then going to write legislative. I put mine on the right-hand side. Legislative, 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 all the way up. And then I'm going to put executive. I put mine on the left. Executive, executive, executive. And then I'm going to draw a line down the middle of every tab so that I can keep all my examples straight. So you have to know that a particular issue is going to be handled by a particular level of government. You wouldn't ask the mayor of Sandy City to declare war on Portugal, right? Because that's not the appropriate level. But if you were concerned about something going on in Portugal, you could write a letter to the federal government, the federal level of government, because they're the ones who care about foreign affairs. And that would be the executive branch, because they are the ones that deal with foreign powers. If you wanted a law made that said people shouldn't be allowed to travel to Portugal, that would be the legislative branch, because the legislative branch makes laws and the executive branch enforces laws and deals with foreign countries. So one more time, you have a beautiful chart The lowest level, closest to the staples, is going to be school district. The next level is going to be city, county. The next level is going to be state. And the highest level that we talk about in 7th grade is going to be federal. You are then going to write legislative on, I put mine on the right, and executive on the left. And you're going to do that for every level of government, because every level of government has an executive branch and a legislative branch. In Utah, we're very lucky. We only have to learn one system. Legislative, legislative, legislative. Oh, I forgot the most important detail. On the very, very back, the solid sheet, you need to write your name. On the very back, on the solid sheet, you need to write your name. You need this for today and Monday and Tuesday. It will be worth a significant amount of points because you need it for 3 days, at least 3 days. You might use it for longer than that because it's going to become a very good resource. All right, great job. We're going to move on and get started.